Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are at Car Cave. Now, I know that I had kind of promoted the show, but I wanted to give you first a little background tour of the Car Cave, and then we'll head outside. So, stay tuned. All right, I figured the best spot to start was in the back. So this is kind of their behind the scenes over at Car Cave. Obviously, they work on all the cars that they get here to make sure that they're in 100% condition when you go to purchase it. Land Rover, Defenders, they've got just about everything back here. They definitely specialize in that, but they also have a little bit of everything. So let's go out on the main floor and see what they have for sale. All right, so as I was telling you, they have a little bit of everything from Rolls-Royce to exotic sports cars to perfect condition show trucks. Now, I think the best thing for me to do is kind of give you a quick show around of what they have out here on the sales floor. All right, so something that you don't see every day is a 77 Ford Escort, and of course this has got the wide body kit on it. It looks so inspired by rally. I absolutely love this. Something that you do not see today at all, so this is definitely one of the highlights in their showroom. Plus they've got the racing seats in there, and of course it's a true manual. So I would not be able to come here and not talk about the 69 Corvette. It has been complete nut and bolt restoration. It obviously is the 427, which is the way to go, with a 4-speed manual. You cannot beat this car. Absolutely my favorite car here. However, there are two others that come very close. Obviously, we have a show truck, which is absolutely beautiful, but if you had to have it, it's the Mangusta. I think that these cars are going up in value, and one of the cool things, the rear where the engine is, these wings actually flip up like butterflies. One of the coolest things is when these are up and you can see the engine. Absolutely my favorite. So we're out on the show field now, and this is all done for Great Oaks Equine Rescue. And basically that money is given to them, and they're able to do all different type of benefits for the horses as well for the community. Speaking of charities, let's talk about the Aiken County Animal Shelter. This truck is actually a charitable event that we have going on that will be at the Aiken Carolina Dragway on November 12th if you're interested, or all of the information will be in the description below if you're interested in donating for a chance to win this truck and also helping those little fur babies. There are so many beautiful cars at this show, but there are a handful that stand out to me. This Alpine is definitely one of them. It's a 1969, and this was actually a raced used car. I mean, it's great to see that type of patina on it where it is not a concourse level car because it was raced. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to have chips and scratches. Each one of those tells a story about this car, and I absolutely love it. So this 1964 Nova, which really shouldn't be classified any longer as a 64, is absolutely the best car at the show. It reminds me of something Chip Foose would have come up with. Everything is done perfectly. There is not a bolt, a scratch, a mark that is out of place on this car. I absolutely love it. Not a Nova fan, but I am now. So I have to tell you guys, 1969 was such a good year. We've got this Camaro next to me that is absolutely gorgeous, but don't forget we've had the 69 Alpine and also the 69 Corvette. Such a great year to be alive, such great cars. It's really great to see such great examples of these. I have to say, Car Cave did a great job with this car show, and especially seeing that it's for Great Oak Equine. This is such a great thing that they do. So hopefully you enjoyed the show, liked some of the cars. I want to know what car was your favorite. Leave me some comments below. Make sure to check the description below. It'll have all of the information from this show and also information for our show on November 12th. Come out and see us there. We'll have lots of giveaways. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, share. We'll catch you next time.